What's up? Nice to see you. No, I haven't posted in a while, but I've had school, I've had extracurriculars, I've been lazy. So, today I'm going to be reviewing one of my favorite keyboards, and I would say that I've used it for gaming, but I'm saving up for a computer right now. So, please subscribe so that I can get this computer. Yeah. But right, so I'm doing this. In this video, I'll do a typing speed test. Just show you what the keyboard looked like, and yeah. So, first to what it looks like. Sorry, that's wrong. Looks like that. That's my mouse offside. You don't need to pay attention to that. But this is my keyboard. It is awesome. It has RGB lighting all across, as you can see. It is great bang for your buck. $15 on Amazon. I could not find a cheaper option. And it is really nice. But only problem is that I cannot seem to find the apostrophe key. And a few of the keys are mislabeled. And there's this three keys that have 4 buttons on that. That's probably just me being stupid. But explain to me in the comments. I'll be sure to get back to you. Thank you. But now to the typing speed. So, just finished the typing speed test. My normal typing speed is 48, 50 words per minute. That's on just a laptop, just in my lap, just typing. With this keyboard, I did 3 tests and averaged them. On average, I got 57 words per minute. So, it's a pretty solid increase in speed. Yeah, but I would just highly recommend this keyboard. It is just amazing. It has served me so well, and it is USB-C, by the way. Forgot to mention that earlier. But it is USB-C, links to most laptops, at least in the USA. And thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe this video. And earlier when I mentioned my mouse, I'll do a review on that if this video can hit at least 30 views, let's say. So, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, share this video with everyone you can, and peace.